let's jazz up this Dollar Tree sign. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so we have a Dollar Tree sign. I love the graphic on it. It's so pretty. And you know what? It just made me think sometimes we don't need to redo the whole thing. We could just add it. You know, it's that like that saying to the salon. We just need to give it a little bit of a zhuzhing, right? So I have some vinyl that I got at Dollar Tree. It's a pattern vinyl, permanent, and I traced our sign and then cut out the vinyl. Then I fold a little bit of the backer back so that we can put this on the back of our sign. And I'm just adhering it. And here's the cool thing. I put this whole thing on and make sure to smooth out all the bubbles. I wasn't sure, but guess what? You can sand the edges off of this. Who knew? So you don't have to be super fuzzy, not fuzzy, fussy with making sure that you get the edges right. I love that. Anyway, so then I reattached some more jute for the hanger. Perfect. And then I got these wood, this is a wood bead thing from Dollar Tree. And I open it up so that it's not going to be on this form. I just want the beads from it. So I'm going to open that up. I'm going to use these beads. And I had some other beads from Michael's. They were different. They were stained already. They're like a half an inch maybe. So here they are. I have some wired jute. We're going to make sure that we get about the right amount of wired jute. So I'm just measuring our sign just to make sure that I don't have an excessive amount of wired jute. So we've got that. And now we're going to start adding our wood beads. And I did a dark, a bigger one, a light. So here you go. I just alternated. You could make whatever pattern you want. Then I glue it onto our sign. Look at how pretty already. Stop it, right? I know. Oh, so exciting. And I did wrap the wired jute around itself just so that it kind of held it together. Then we're going to use some ribbon pieces and some pieces of fabric. And all we're doing is crisscross applesauce. I use two of each and I just go alternate one, do two of them, then do the next two, and just make sure that you're crisscrossing them. It's fine, right? It's not complicated. It's not rocket science. It's okay. So I just do all bunch of things. I have lace in here. Many of these ribbons I got from Michael's. And all I'm going to do is tie it in the center with a piece of jute, nice and tight. Perfect. And then I'm going to actually add some raffia. So I have a little stack of raffia that I just rolled up, like just balled it up kind of. And I'm going to tie that now with the jute that we have tying our bow. And then I'm going to cut the loops, obviously, and then we're going to muss it up because I need things messy and distressed. So we're going to do that. And then you're going to fluff it out. I cut off the excess of our wired jute just because we don't need it there. So I just use my wire cutters, put a little glue on the back of our messy bow that we made, and we are going to glue it where we took the old bow off, fluff it up and stop. Look at how cute this is. Seriously, we didn't do that much work to it. It is so much fun. Listen, I'm just so over the moon. You could put it, look at, I have it on a stand or you could hang it up. Stop. I'm so excited about it. Oh, I love it when a plan comes together. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.